Hey, what's up guys? In this video I will cover tint tools and a couple tips and tricks before you get started on your window tint journey. I am working with different tool vendors and Amazon to get you guys a tint tool starter kit. Once the tint tool kit is available, I will provide a link in the description of the videos. All the tools in the kit will be tools that I use every day. They are not cheap generic Chinese knockoffs, so you can shop with confidence. As this channel grows, I will work on adding more and more tools to my Amazon store. The reason I went with Amazon as my storefront is because they offer 2-day shipping for Prime members. That means you get your tools a lot quicker. If you were to shop at a regular retailer, you're looking at 4 to 6 days for your tools to arrive. Now I'm going to go over a couple of things that you should know before getting started with tinting. First thing I'm going to go over is your tint knife. When using this knife, usually you want to have it about 1 click out. When using your blade, you want to maintain a low angle. Let me show you. Let's say this is the glass. This is your blade. When cutting, you want to maintain a low angle. If your angle is like this and it's high, you are going to scratch the glass by accident because you're using the point of the knife. Instead, be very low. Also, your knife has these little lines on it where you can snap off and you get a fresh blade. I have this right here which has extra blades, and then it has a part where you can actually snap off. It has an opening right there where you can insert the blade. Insert your blade into the tool. You just pull back like that, and now you have a fresh blade. I have this roll of tape right here. Let's just say this is your roll of window film. Tint only shrinks top and bottom. I want you guys to remember that, because if you try to shrink on the side, it won't work. Like I said, top and bottom is the only way tint will shrink. Remember that, guys. Right here I have a scrap piece of window tint just so I can show you guys the liner and the actual tint. When peeling the tint, you want to have it on your peel board or on some sort of flat surface, and you're going to take your nail and just kind of scrape like this, and that should release the liner so you can pinch it and pull it off. The clear part is the liner, the black part is your tint with the sticky side. Just so you guys know the difference when I'm teaching you guys in the tutorials. This is the liner, this is the tint. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm so excited for you guys to get started on this journey. The next videos is going to be the tinting tutorials. So order your tint, order your tools, and get ready to embark on this awesome journey. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments below.